Introducing the 2023 Skoda Superb Sportline 2.0TDi with 150 horsepower in sleek silver. With only 45,000 kilometres on the clock, this beauty boasts a 2-litre engine and was registered new in 2023. Packed with comfort and convenience features like ambient lighting, Bluetooth phone and power boot close, this car ensures a luxurious driving experience. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking. The exterior is enhanced by a Towbar Preparation and a glass roof for style and practicality. With a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing and a comprehensive warranty, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out. Call us or visit mullingarautos.ie for more details on this impressive vehicle.